Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are doing very well. I'm Ravin. Welcome you again to this session. In this particular session, we will discuss some questions based on uh, circle. Okay, so basically, we already discussed the theory and the important formula related to the circle. So we will solve some question in this session. Okay, so now let's begin with the very first one. This is So now read the question carefully and then try to solve it first by yourself. Okay. So it is given that if the radius of a circle is 4.2 centimeter, so compute its area and the circumference. Okay. So here what we will have r is equal to 4.2 centimeter. And first we need to find the area. So we know that area is equal to pi r square, and we know that the value of pi is 22 divided by 7, and r squared, that is 4.2 into 4.2 because it is square. So when we remove the decimals, it will be 10 here and it will also be 10 here. Now 7 6 it is 42. Now multiply 22 into 6 into 42 divided by 100, right? So what you will do, just you can write it as 11 into 12 into 42 divide by 100. So you can multiply by 12, 12 to the 24, carry 2, and 12 4 is the 48, or 2, 48 or 250. So this is into the 11 divided by 100. Now multiplied by 11, so it will be 11 4 is a 44 and 11 5 is a 55 divided by 100. So finally it will be 55.44 centimeter square. This is our area, right? So apart from area, we also need to calculate the circumference of this circle. Okay, so you know that the formula for circumference of circle, that is 2 pi r, right? So 2 value of pi 22 divided by 7, and what is the value of r here? 4.2 centimeter. So remove the decimal, so it will be 10 here. Cancel out by, it is 6 times 7 6 are 42, and now 6 2s are 12 into 22 divided by 10. Now multiply by 12, 12 2s are 24, and 12 to the 24, 26 divided by 10. So it will be nothing but 26.4 centimeter. It is the circumference, right? So we got both the answer. The area of this circle is 54.44 and the circumference is 26.4 centimeter, right? Now let's move to the next one, which is this one. Okay, so just read the question first, then we will solve it. So it is saying that calculate the area of a sector of angle 60 degree, given the circle has a radius 6 centimeter. Okay. So first you have to know the formula. What is the formula of area of sector? Okay. So let's assume this is a circle. Okay. This is the center O. And when you draw a radius, it is R, and it is also R, and it is theta. Okay. So this part here, this part is sector. Okay, we have to find the area of this part. This is the minor sector and this is the major sector. And if it is saying that there, let's find out the area of sector, so it is you have to find the area of minor sector. Okay, so what will be the formula for this one? So the formula of sector is area is equal theta divided by 360 into pi r square. Okay, this is the area of sector, right? Okay, now, so what we will do, we know that theta is here 60 degree, so we will put 60 instead of theta, divide by 360 into pi, that is you can write it pi also, and r is 6 centimeter, that is 6 square. So when you will cancel out, is 6 ones are 6, 6 6 are 36. So it will be 1 by 6 pi into 6 into 6. So this will be cancelled out by this, and we got 6 pi centimeter square. This is the area of sector. Okay, understand? Easy, right? So just you have to keep in mind the formula of area of sector, then you will get the answer easily. Okay, now let's move to the next one, and this is the our next question. So read it carefully. It is a very good question. So it is say that a chord subtend an angle of 90 degree at the center of a circle whose radius is 20 centimeter. Compute the area of corresponding major segment of the circle, right? So just understand it what it is saying rightly. Okay, so this is our circle, right? And when we draw a chord, let's say it is AB, A, V, it is making an angle 90 degree at the center. So it is look like something this. So it is nothing but a perpendicular or 90 degrees. Okay. So you know that uh, segment is formed by the chord. Okay. So this is the chord, and this is the minor segment, and all the this one is a major segment. Okay. So let's calculate the area of which one? Area of major segment. Okay, it is like this. Okay, so we have to find the area of major segment. So what we will do, just we have to what we will do, just calculate the area of sector. Let's say I'm doing for you. First we have to calculate the area of sector. Okay, so this is the area of sector. What is the area of sector? A is equal to theta divided by 360 into pi r square, right? So what we will get, 90 divided by 360 into pi. What is the value of r here? It is 20 centimeters. 20 into 20, 9 fours are 360, and 4 fives are 20. Okay, so 25 is 100. It is 100 pi centimeter square. This is the area of sector. Okay, this is the area of sector, and you know that the radius is 20 centimeter. And when we have to calculate the area of triangle, area of triangle AOB, so it will be 1 by 2 base into altitude. Okay, or you can say base into height, anything, both are the same. So in this case, base is 20 and altitude or height is also 20. So now you will cancel out 20 by 2, so it is 10. So it is nothing but 200 centimeter square. So it is the area of triangle. Now just concentrate over here what I'm doing right after this. So what I'm doing, I'm subtracting area of triangle from area of sector. So we will get the area of minor segment, area of minor segment. Let's say it is P, APB. So it will be area of sector minus area of triangle. So now it is nothing but 100 pi, and it is 200. So this will be our area of minor segment. Now, but we have to actually calculate the area of major segment. So what we will do, just what need to do is very easy to calculate the now area of major segment, because area of major segment is equal area of complete circle, area of circle minus area of minor segment, minor segment, right? So what is the area of circle here? It is pi r square. You know that already. And area of minor segment, we calculated it 100 pi minus 200. So now it will be pi, and what is the value of pi? 20 square minus 100 pi plus 200. So it will be 20 into 20, that is 400 pi minus 100 pi plus 200. So it will be 300 pi plus 200. Now Take out 100 as a common. So you can say it is 3 pi plus 2, right? And what you can do, just put the value of pi here. So you know that the value of pi is nothing but 22 divided by 7. Okay, so put the value of pi, 22 divided by 7, so it is 100. 3 into 22 divided by 7 plus 2, so it is 100, and it is 66 plus 14 divided by 7. So now what you will get, 100 into, it is 80 divided by 7. So what you will get, 8000 divided by 7, it is centimeter square. Okay, so this is the first method. You can calculate the area of major segment here, but there is another method to find it out. So we will discuss the other one later. So this is the basic method, and you have to keep in mind all the things. And why doing this method, you can analyze your applying the formula, or you get the skill to applying the formula in such type of questions. So it is very uh, good question for you, and just solve it again. Okay, and the pause the video, and see the solution again and again, so that you can get it better, right? Let's move to the next one. This is our next question, and it is also a very good question. So let's have a look of this. It is saying that a square is inscribed in a circle. So what it is saying, there is a circle and a square inside it. So let's say it is like this. Okay. Okay. So calculate the ratio of area of circle to the square. So we have to find the area of circle to the area of square, right? So basically, area of circle ratio area of square. We need to find it out, right? So let's say the radius is r here. So you can say this is r, and this is also r. But you observe from here that basically this thing is a diagonal of the square of the given square ABCD. So you can say that uh, a diagonal of a square, diagonal of a square is nothing but root 2 into side, right? So let's say the side of diagonal is 2r, and it is root 2, and let's say side is unknown to us. Yes, it is unknown. So now transpose root 2 to this side, so it will be the side. And now you know that the area of a square is a side square. So area of a square is side square, and side we have 2r root 2 whole square. Okay, so this will be 4r square divided by 2. Now cancel out 4 by 2, so it is 2. So it will be 2r square. This is the area of a square, right? So right here, 2r square. Now we need to find the area of circle. So area of circle, as we know, it is nothing but pi r square, and we know that it is radius r here, so it is the area of circle. So it is pi r square. So now cancel out r square to r square, and we can also put the value of 22 divided by 7, the value of pi, and it will be 2 here. Now cancel out by 2, so it is 11. So it will be 11 is to 7. This is the ratio of area of circle to the area of square, right? And what I done here in the ratio, let's understand one thing from here. If there is some values written like this, so you can write it as a divided by v. Okay, let's say there is 10 ratio 5, so you can write it as 10 divided by 5. So you can cancel out 5 ones of 5, 5 to the 10. So I directly cancel here 5 ones of 5, 5 to the 10. This is the thing. Okay, this is the concept of ratio. Okay, now let's move to the next one, and this is our next question. And what it is saying, calculate the perimeter. Actually we need to find the perimeter of an equilateral triangle. Okay, if it is inscribed in a circle whose area is 154 centimeters square. So first understand the question, what it is saying. So in the previous question, there is a square inscribed in a circle, but here it is a equilateral triangle inscribed in a circle. So let's say this is a circle. Okay, it is not good. Okay, I'm trying to make it better. So we need to draw a circle. So I'm drawing a very beautiful circle for you. So let's say this is a circle and it is also very beautiful, right? Let's assume it. And now we have to, okay, we have to draw a equilateral triangle. You know what is mean by equilateral triangle? Yes. Equa means equal and lateral means side. So the triangle whose all the three sides are equal, it is called equilateral triangle. So it is easy. Okay, it is just equilateral triangle means a triangle whose, why it is not drawing. Okay, this one and this one, right? So let's say this is a equilateral triangle A, V or C. Understand? So here what you will do, just say this is the center of the circle, let's say it is O. Okay, and now the area of circle is 154. So area is basically we have 154. So the formula is pi r square for the area of circle. Now put the value of pi, it is r square 154. Now cancel out by 22, or we can partially cancel out by 11, like 11 2s are 22 and 11 1s are 11 4s are, then 2 4 2 7s are 14. So r square basically we have 7 into 7, so we got r is equal to 7, but we need to find the perimeter of equilateral triangle. It means we need to sum up all the sides of this equilateral triangle. So basically first we need to find the side of equilateral triangle, right? So let's begin. So all this thing we called it as a circumcircle, right? Because there is a circle touching uh, all the side of the triangle, right? So what we will do, r is equal to a divided by root 3. This is the direct formula, right? This is the direct formula we have. So r is equal to nothing but 7 a divided by root 3. Now a is equal to 7 root 3. If we have the value a means side of a equilateral triangle. A is a side of equilateral triangle, right? So now perimeter is easy to calculate. Perimeter. Perimeter is 3 into side, because we need to find the sum of all side, and all side are here is 3 only. So it is 7 root 3. So we get 21 root 3 centimeter. This is the answer, right? So just you need to keep in mind this thing, because this is new for you. And if it is like this situation, I'm telling you another one situation. If there is a equilateral triangle like this one, once again. Okay, so let's say there is a equilateral triangle, this one. Okay, and a circle is inside this triangle. So this is called encircle, right? Then if we have to find the radius r, if it is a, so r is equal to a divided by 2 root 3. This is the case in this scenario, right? So this is for this and this is for this one, right? Now let's move ahead to the next one, which is this. So it is saying that the cost of fencing a circular field at a rate of 24 per meter is 5280, right? The field is to be plowed at the rate of 0.50 per meter square. Find the cost of plowing the field. So first, if we are fencing something, so it is the boundary. Okay, it is along the boundary. We need to go. So this is a 24 rupees per meter, and the cost is total this one. So here we got the perimeter, or we can say it is a what we can say, it is the length of the boundary, right? So here we will get easily the perimeter or the circumcircle, sorry, circumference. Perimeter or the circumference of circle although both are different thing, slightly different, but we are taking either of these thing. Okay, so 5280 divide by 24. Now cancel it out carefully. So what we will get, just simple thing, cancel out by first 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 sevens are 21, 3 6 are 18, 0, 3 8s are 24. And cancel out by 2, 18 to the 16, 18 to the 16, 0. So basically we have 220 centimeter, yes. No, meter, it is in meter because it is given in meter, per meter, right? So this is the circumference, and we know area of circumference of circle, it is 2 pi r. So it is equal to 220, cancel out by 10 times, divide, cancel out 10 by 5 times. So we get r is equal to nothing but 5 into 7. So r is equal to, that is 35 meter, right? So this is the radius we have. Now we need to find the cost of plowing. So we need to find the area, that is pi r square. So what is the value of pi? That is 22 divided by 7. R is 35 meter into 35 meter because there is a square. So 7 5s are 35 and 22 5s are 110, and it is 35 meter square. So 11 5s are 55, 11 3s are 33, or 5 38, 0 meter square. Now for the cost, total cost, it is 0.50 per rupees. So multiply it with this one. So we got the total cost. So it is nothing by 1 by 2. It is 3850, cancel it by 2. So it is rupees 1925. It is the total cost of flying at the rate of 0.4 meter square. Got it? So just try to solve it once again by yourself, and just try to understand the depth of the question, what it is saying basically, right? So it is very easy to understand. Just try it once again, right? And try to solve it by yourself. Okay. Now, this is the next one, which is saying that find the area of the sector of a circle with radius 4 centimeter, angle 30. This is the same question we already solved, right? So I am doing it directly. So it is theta divided by 360 into pi r square. So value of theta, we have 30 divided by 360 into pi. What is the value of r? 4 into 4. Now cancel it out by 30. So it is 12. So it is 1 by 12, and 16 pi, cancel out by 4. 4 4 is a 16, 4 3 is a 12. So it is 4 by 3 pi centimeter square. This is the area of sector with radius 4 and angle 30 degree. Is it easy to calculate, right? Now, so in this session, all the questions are good except one or two. So I hope you learned something from this session and you also enjoyed the session. And we will discuss some more interesting or some good question in the next session. Till then, have a nice day. Goodbye. Goodbye to you.